Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by making sure you have a working terminal and a shell you prefer. Open the emulator, then verify your shell with echo $shell so you know your environment. Generate SSH keys with SSH keygen T ed 25519 and add them to the agent. This lets you authenticate without passwords. Once done, copy the public key to remote servers or Git hosts. Make sure to store private keys securely. These steps get you into the workflow quickly and securely. You now learn to move and inspect files. CD into directories, use lslat to see hidden files, and pwd to confirm location. Edit with a lightweight editor like Nano or a modal editor like Vim. Remember how to save and exit. Use code to open a project in VS Code when installed. Once comfortable, manage permissions with chmod and chown, and search with find or grep. Ripgrep RG is faster. These skills let you manipulate projects efficiently. You finish by automating and controlling processes. Make scripts executable with chmod plus X and run them with /script. sh or rely on bash script. sh, include a proper shebang so the shell knows how to run it. Monitor running jobs with psaux or htop, bring jobs to foreground or background, and use kill for stubborn PIDs. If something breaks, check environment variables and path, inspect logs with tail F, and rerun commands with setx to trace execution.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.